The ostrich, Struthio camelus, is a large flightless bird native to Africa. It is the largest living species of bird and belongs to the family Struthionidae. Here are some key characteristics and facts about ostriches. Physical characteristics. Size. Ostriches are massive birds, with males, cocks, typically reaching a height of 7 to 9 feet, 2.1 to 2.7 meters, and females, hens, being slightly smaller. Weight. Adult males can weigh between 220 to 350 pounds, 100 to 160 kilograms, while females are generally lighter, weighing around 150 to 260 pounds, 70 to 120 kilograms. Plumage. Ostriches have soft and fluffy feathers in various shades of brown, gray, and black, which help them regulate body temperature. Habitat and distribution. Ostriches are native to Africa and can be found in savannas, grasslands, and semi-desert regions. They are distributed across several countries in Africa, including South Africa, Namibia, Botswana, Zimbabwe, Kenya, and others. Behavior and lifestyle. Social structure. Ostriches are usually found in groups called flocks, which consist of a dominant male, several females, and their offspring. Flightless. Unlike most birds, ostriches cannot fly due to their large size and underdeveloped wings. However, they can run incredibly fast, reaching speeds of up to 43 miles per hour, 70 kilometers per hour. Diet. Ostriches are omnivores and primarily feed on plants, seeds, leaves, fruits, and flowers. They may also consume insects, lizards, and small animals on occasion. Reproduction. Ostriches are monogamous during the breeding season. The female lays her eggs in a communal nest, which is a shallow pit in the ground. The dominant female and the dominant male take turns incubating the eggs during the day and night, respectively. Ostrich eggs are the largest of all bird species, with an average weight of around 3.3 pounds, 1.5 kilograms. They have thick, hard shells that are often used for various crafts. Conservation status. Ostriches are listed as least concern on the International Union for Conservation of Nature (IUCN) Red List. This means that their populations are considered stable, and they are not currently at significant risk of extinction. Ostriches are fascinating creatures with unique adaptations that have allowed them to thrive in their native African habitats. They have also been domesticated in some regions for their meat, feathers, and other products.